Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about Navigation Host Fragment. Let's move to activity underscore main, remove this text view, and I'm going to include a new widget called Fragment Container View. Or simply you can go to the design mode, search for Nav Host Fragment here, drag and drop Nav Host Fragment to this layout, select Navigation Graph, and click OK. Then you can infer the constraints, and this is our fragment container view. You can go to the split mode. I remove this one, and you can see our layout contains a fragment container view. This represents the navigation host fragment. A navigation host fragment is a special fragment that hosts the navigation graph. It's typically included in your app's layout XML. The navigation host fragment is responsible for inflating and displaying the appropriate destination as the user navigates through your app. In your layout XML, you include a nav host fragment element that specifies the navigation graph to use. The navigation host fragment handles the inflation of the correct destination and backstack management. For example, if you have a nav host fragment in your layout XML with a navigation graph defined, exactly what we've done here, when you navigate from one fragment to another using the nav controller, the navigation host fragment will replace the displayed content with a specified fragment. If you go to the navigation underscore graph, you can notice that the hosts here, we have activity underscore main as the fragment container view. So here I am linking this navigation graph with the navigation host.